What's your spam Instagram chain story? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, I will go out of there, and the first thing that you need to do is click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And then from here you have to go to viral now, at highlight, and here you will only find viral stickers, as you can see, and you can check these too. So click until you find the desired sticker. I think is the last one. So there we have it. What's your spam? So from here you have to click on the add yours button, and if you are not able to click on this button, then you can go and check the first pinned comment, where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on this add yours button. So yeah, from here you can go to your uploads and choose a background for your sticker. So I will go with this picture, and you can make it bigger or smaller using your two fingers, and you can do the same thing with your sticker. And from here you have to go to text and then tag the person that you want. So there we have it. Once you are happy with it, you can click on share to, and then click share to your story, and then hit on done. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Have a great day guys. Bye bye.